Hi YouTube, happy 4th of July. Yeah guys, so the fireworks is now here. I'm on the computer watching it. Watch. Oh my god, what? Oh, wait. They're beautiful on the computer. Watching the fireworks on my computer. What? What? It is so beautiful. It's amazing. What? Oh my god. So y'all, my brother went to his he went to see the fireworks with his friends and stuff. Yup, one of the neighbors too. And my parents and my little sister went to one of the neighbors here. They they went to see the fireworks and stuff. And my big sister went to Falls Church to see the fireworks as well. So so I went outside. There was some neighbors over there. I went, so there were fireworks. It didn't go down, but I didn't miss it. Finally, I missed it last year. I was inside last year, a year ago from today. But yeah, my brother should be coming home in a minute. They should be coming home in a minute. Oh my god. I think it should be over here soon. It says it says 4th of July radio. I don't know how to pronounce it with the P. Music plus fireworks. It is beautiful. Oh my god. Look at the fireworks! Alright guys, this is pretty much it and stuff. That was so fun watching the fireworks on my computer. And yeah guys, so make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. It's your boy Jeremiah Rios, the wife of Jeremiah Rios, YouTuber star. And yeah, if you're new here, please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video if you're pretty new here. And yeah guys, so keep helping me, give me more subscribers, and maybe I would be famous to be a YouTuber, hopefully in the future. Yeah guys, I think I'm gonna get ready for bed here. Yeah guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.